Kanglaipak Kanbalup KKL today organized sit-in at 2 locations demanding free movement for Meitei communities on national highways at the earliest, and also to facilitate reduction on airline fares until Meitei community could safely access the national highways. Speaking on the sidelines of the sit-in that was held in association with organizations of Khwairamband Ima Kaithel, Secretary of Khwairamband Nupi Kaithel Sinpham and Saktam Kanbalup Thingmujam Rani demanded center to ensure free movement along the national highways for Meitei community by deploying adequate security forces along the highways. She also expressed concern on high airfare for flights in and out of the state and urged center to intervene and provide some concessions on the airfares. Protesters held placards that read, "Justice delayed is justice denied. We trust the judiciary. Timely justice is true justice." They also voiced their disappointment for keeping Meitei community inside a cage for over 2 years. On the other hand, KKL also organized another sit-in at Manipur High Court Complex Gate demanding justice for Meitei community and access to national highways.
National Highway habise India da leba jati khudima ke lambi chatpham leba masi atamna na koi Meitei khak chatpa ya dabagi mong da leba aduna masi free movement no hen gane haidana India government of the government haiba thabak na success oi dre hujiki India ge yang raba sipai jing je koi National Highway jing da thabiraga koi full protection piraga koi lamdam si myam je free na chalhan biyo madu ngam ri bawba India government of the central government of the state government na koi mathak ta koi flight da loimak chat ya dabagi chalibi myam je Like him, concession to be high open high series. Yamdravada, minimum dog I have the listening of Hadal and Biragadi, Lan Mayuna, the Nala, the line of with the Nawata Ramamje, Lime in them just at the Yadaba, the Dagla shoot Tambagi, son of Punabagi Salibamje, later so late and Sati Adam and applied the Luisa Leva. Adon Yaragadi Masi, Lamdamsa Leba Miamje, Dagi, citizen of many Kambiraga, Dagi, Manus and Bay said many Kambiraga, Dagomina and Ming Zambidana, they say Gomina to a number to Dangubidona, like him, Yam, the concession from Amizuna. Mayam jam tang mating pang biu hai je apoi ka cheng ni bai ge ri hai je